Academy. Today I thought I'd do something a little different, test the water and see what you guys think. So we're going to do and learn a hand combination, okay? It's not going to be traditional, it's going to be more freestyle for musical open hand or creative open hand, okay? We're going to break it down step by step and then we're going to come together and put the whole combination together by the end of today, okay? Are you excited? Good, I hope so. So, I'm going to show you the combination fast first, and then let's break it down step by step together. Okay, so breaking that down, I'm going to do it facing you first, and then I'm going to turn around so you can follow my steps as well. And then you can follow behind me, okay? So, first things first, you're gonna have your right arm in front, okay? And just lap down like in a low block position, back fist in the chamber, and we're just gonna have our weight evenly distributed between our feet, okay? From there, we're gonna come out on a 45-degree angle, and we're going to go into a strike punch combination. So from here, our front arm comes up to the opposite shoulder, chops, punches in a forward stance, okay, facing 45 degrees. So from this start place, we're going to go chop, punch, okay? From there, we're going to look in the opposite direction. We're going to step our left leg forward on the 45-degree angle again. This time coming round with our right hand into an outside block or out to in block. So from here, we're going to look, step and block at the same time. Okay, so it comes from your hip out to in, okay? From there, we're going to transfer the weight onto this back leg in like a defense move, high block, okay? And again, that back hand into chamber. From there, we're going to punch with the reverse hand and switch stance again. Okay? So let's go one more time from the top. Here we have chop punch, turn, outside block, go back on the defense, high block, reverse punch, switch stance again. From there, we're going to go to the front and we're going to go chop, downward block, chop, downward block, okay? So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice and fast those four will be, okay? Then with the opposite hand, we're going to go for a throat grab here, okay? Or the lapel, okay? Here, we're going to pull them in, elbow, okay, and the stance switches again. So let's go from here. We have chop, 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 throat or lapel grab into that elbow. Good. From there, we're going to look, back fist, punch, okay. Then from there, we're going to spin full 360 degrees. The easiest way to do this is the front leg steps in to meet the back leg steps out, okay? So, from here, we want in, out, okay? Both arms come out to the side. Then from there, step the left leg to meet the right. We're going to cross our arms in front of us, so cross block here, and then down, and then out. And that's where we would come forward with our kicking combination, okay? We're ready to attack. We're here, we're ready to just come forward then, okay? So, I'll transfer it and show you from behind. So we have to this angle, chop, punch. Change angles, outside block, and change stance. From there, switch our stance. We're going to do a high block in defense here. So my weight transfers to the opposite side. Then we're going to counter attack, punch. From there, it's our chop sequence. So we're going to go chop, 2, chop, 4, okay? Then from here, we're going to do the throat grab, coming through with the left hand here to grab into that elbow, okay? You're going to keep that gaze down here before looking up for that back fist, okay? We're going to punch from there, spin, both arms out, in cross block, down, ready to attack. Okay? Got it? So, I'll just show you again, a bit faster from behind so you can follow along. So, feet together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, attack, attack, here, elbow, look, back fist, punch, spin, boom, cross block, down, and we're attacking. Who found that really fun? Good. I'm just going to give you one more demonstration, super quick, super fast, just for you. Guys, if you enjoyed that and you really enjoyed learning more creative hand combinations, drop me a like or comment below and I'll get more of these up for you. Thank you so much for your support and I'll catch you next time.